Hey guys, okay, yeah, so this is just going to be a quick video. I got a question from Andy out there. Here's a shout out to you, Andy. This is going to be your answer. I know I tried them before, but I'm not too sure if I remember or not. To see if I can use the WEN flex shaft on, does it fit on the Dremel flex shaft? Or does the Dremel flex shaft, this one I got hooked up, fit to the WEN? So let's give her a try. So screw her. Oops, that's too tight. Okay, let's see if she fits. Okay, the fin fits. The pin fits in there. Screws up. Okay, what foot pedal do I need now for this? I got so many foot pedals. Oh yeah, okay. Oops, wrong one. There's your answer. So let's try hooking up the Dremel flex shaft to the WEN. Give it a little bit of tighten down. Okay, let's hit the pedal. Oops. I gotta get my pedals in order. I got 4 pedals, so I gotta get them screwed on a board. And there is your answer. So Andy, your question. Are these 2 flex shafts interchangeable? Your answer is yes, my friend. Why, yes, it is. The Dremel's still a lot better, but these, if you can get them cheap enough, if you don't have much dough, go for it, guys. Like I said in my other videos, these burrs, because I'm always full throttle, these slide out sometimes when I'm carving, they go flying. But somebody suggested I could sand it and scruff it up, you know, the inner shaft, then put it in there. I think that will probably work. I think that's what I'll do next time I'm carving. So there's your answer, guys. Yes, the answer is yes, Andy.